Hello students, I welcome you to my online class and today I shall teach you a very beautiful poem that is My Mother at 66. Okay, so today we will talk about it. And My Mother at 66 is written by Kamala Das. Okay. So, before starting the poem, I would like to talk about a few things regarding the poet Kamala Das. So, কবিতাটো start কৰাৰ আগতে আমি poetor বিষয়ে জানি লওঁ. So, Kamala Das was a female poet from India, okay? And she was born in Malabar, Kerala in the year 1934. Her works are known for her originality, that means real, and versatility, that means multi-purpose. She usually writes about the common things that we find around us. We can relate to her poems very easily. Okay, so whatever she writes of original, okay, real events কি হৈ থাকে real life তেওঁ কবিতা বিলাকত বা তেওঁ her works says about that, her work speaks about that, okay, and we can relate to her poems or we can relate to her writings. And now let's talk about the poem, or we can say the theme of the poem. Okay, so this poem usually talks about human relationship. That is the one theme. It also talks about the bonding between a mother and daughter, okay? And also talks about the pain and loss that the poet is feeling. Why? Why the poet is feeling pain? Because she is realizing that her mother end is coming near. Her mother's age is 66 now. So we have got themes of the poem. Okay. So at first it talks about human relationship. Then it talks about the bonding between a mother and a daughter. And also it talks about the pain and the loss the poet is going through. Why? Because her mother was very old. কাৰণ তেওঁৰ মাকৰ বয়স হৈ আহিছে. Okay. Now come to the setting of the poem. Okay, the setting of the poem is the traveling to airport. They are traveling to airport. Which airport? Cochin Airport. Okay. So the poet was traveling to airport with her mother. And so the poem starts like this. Now we will start the poem. So driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. So here the poet is traveling to the Cochin airport with her mother. Okay. Probably she is returning back from her mother's home. Okay. Maybe তেওঁ নিজৰ মাকৰ ঘৰৰ পৰা বেলেগলৈ গৈ আছে. Maybe তেওঁ she is married or she is working in another place. Okay. And I saw my mother beside me dodge. So here dodge. What is the meaning of dodge? It means light sleep. Tia mak hui goi ase. Okay. Open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse. Tia mak hui goi ase, but how? Like open mouth. Okay. Mukhon khul khai ase and her face ashen like that of a corpse. Corpse means dead body. Okay. She was looking like a dead body. So the poet is looking at her mother and realizing that her mother is looking like a dead body because she is sleeping with her mouth open and she is looking very old, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked. Okay, so the poet, while she was traveling with her mother, মাকৰ লগত যেতিয়া গৈ আছিলে তেওঁ তেতিয়া অনুভৱ কৰিলে যে তেওঁৰ মাক বহুত বয়সস্থ হৈছে okay and so now the poet is realizing that her mother is growing old and she is looking at her and she is feeling a pain that her mother end is coming near and now she is realizing that her mother end is coming near okay and means death okay now the poet looks outside and these lines so now the poet looks outside okay so these lines will bring differences to the situation okay see the lines are put that thought away and look out at young trees sprinting means moving okay so whenever we travel in a car or bus then when we look outside we see that everything come backward everything moves backward okay আমি যেতিয়া গৈ থাকো আমি দেখা পাও যে বাহিৰৰ সকলোবোৰ বস্তু পিছুৱাই গৈ আছে okay so that's the situation here and it brings differences to the present situation to ki je your maকৰ লগত গৈ আছে আৰু everything the memories are going backward okay she has a flashback of her childhood how she used to love her mother how she used to take time from her mother but now she can't even give time nor her mother can go with her okay the merry children spilling out of their homes so at that moment what happened the সৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকে কি কৰিছে ওলাই আহে ঘৰৰ পৰা and then they see or they used to watch the bus or car okay and these lines brings differences between poet's mother and world outside because the outside world is very much jolly and happy and young okay the young kids and her mother is sleeping she is tired and she is now old okay so see the next but after the airport security check so they reach airport okay now they have reached airport and from here her mother will stay outside and she will go inside okay standing a few yards away I look again at her when colorless pale means also colorless okay when she looked back at her mother again her mother seems colorless because she had her face of that young woman had gone okay the radiant smile so when you can give a difference between a young woman and an old lady okay so their face will be of wrinkles isn't it so we already read one lesson isn't it the portrait of a lady so how the grandmother looks is what wrinkle isn't it wrinkle from everywhere to everywhere it's written like that in your previous year English chapter isn't it so same here her mother is now old and colorless their মাকো এতিয়া ঠিক হে portrait of a lady দামি যেনেকৈ পাইছিলো ঠিক তেনেদৰে এতিয়া হৈছে okay her mother is now old as a late winter's moon the poet is comparing her mother face with a late winter's moon okay so now the poet they compare কৰিছে নিজৰ মাক আৰু winter moonৰ লগত so what happened in winter's moon okay so in summer days the moon is very bright okay so then the moon is very bright so what's happened in winterত কি হয় everywhere there is fog সবতে কুঁৱলী থাকে আৰু আমি moonটো ভালদৰে দেখা নাপাওঁ okay the moon seems very foggy and that's why the brightness is less and this comparison is done to show how her mother looks her mother is also brightless okay and that old familiar ache my childhood's fear so এতিয়া তেওঁ হে আগৰ ভয়টোলে মনত পেলাইছে fear of losing her mother and realizing that her mother's end is coming near so she is feeling the pain again okay So during childhood, we had a fear of being separated from our mother when she is not around. So আমি ভাবো যে মায়ে কৰবাত আমাক এৰি গ'ল. That is the childhood fear being referred to here. Okay, the childhood fear of every children, of every kid is same. Okay, সকলোৰে childhood fear একে হয়. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma, and all I did was smile and smiled and smiled. So at last, all she gathered her courage and she told us, see you soon, Amma, ami ako log pam boli teo kole. Okay, so here we can find out that death is natural. Okay, we must accept it. তাই কৈছে যে লাষ্টত তাই মানি ল'লে ৰিয়েলিটিত কি হ'ব গৈ আছে মাকৰ লগত. What will happen to her mother? Not only her mother, what will happen to everybody. Okay, so now she is accepting everything and saying in a very beautiful way, see you soon, Amma. Okay, so তেওঁ বাকি একো কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে সেইটো টাইমত. Only thing she could do was just smile at her mother. Okay, and her smile is hiding all the pain and fear that she had inside. Okay, তেওঁ মাকক সেইটো দেখুৱাব নোৱাৰিলে যে তেওঁ কি কাৰণে ভয় কৰি আছে, because her mother will also react in the same way. That's why she was hiding it from her mother. Okay, so this is the end of the poem. But what we learned from this poem, so this poem talks about mother-daughter relationship, talks about how daughter is being separated from her mother and she had to follow it. Okay, so she is bound to do it. Etu follow koriboi lagibo, because in Indian tradition or in Indian culture, our culture ki hoy, whenever a girl is being married, then she is sent to her husband's house, isn't it? She have to leave her parents' home. So this is the custom. Okay, so this was the poem. I hope you all understood. Thank you.